Heavy-duty construction. This durable potato masher is made of stainless steel so you can easily mash potatoes, vegetables, fruits and more. Easy to use. The ergonomic horizontal grip handle makes mashing comfortable and easy, giving you full control while mashing. The handle is also non-slip so you can get a firm grip on this masher. Perfectly smooth mashed potatoes. The fine mashing plate makes it easier than ever to get smooth mashed potatoes in seconds. Easy to clean. This masher is super easy to clean, just wash with warm soapy water. Versatile kitchen tool. This tool isn't just for mashing potatoes. You can also use this masher to make guacamole, beans, cauliflower or applesauce, and you can even use this masher to muddle fruit for punch or to crumble cookies to top a cake. Nothing says comfort like a generous serving of smooth and creamy mashed potatoes. This cooking-like kitchen-inspired potato masher easily smashes the lumps out of potatoes, cooked cauliflower or other mashables, while the comfortable non-slip grip is easy on hands and wrists. Top reviews from the United States. The best for beans. I love this thing. I had been using a squiggly-looking potato masher for making retried beans, but this was a total game changer. It's so easy to squish the beans and it's done in 2 minutes. So easy to clean as well. I love it. 10/10.